Alright, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and today we're going to try the AC Pro on the, it's a 2008 Toyota Sienna Minivan. Got the 3.5, I believe, liter engine. There's 3.6. It's an LE. Right now, sitting here, this isn't blowing too bad. I couldn't find my laser temperature checker thing, but it just doesn't get you cooled down to where you could, you know, turn down the air conditioning when you're out. And it's not even a hot day. It's actually decent out right now. So we're gonna try the AC Pro on it. 189,809 beautiful miles, so still a low mileage one owner unit if anybody's looking. And other than that, let's get going. We'll pop the hood and we'll do some charging under the hood. We've got the blowers all on high, the air conditioner on max, idling, and we'll go from there. All right. So we're already reading in the green, which probably is the reason why we have some air conditioning in there right now. We've got to discard this gizmo here before this is going to work. Let me see if I can do that. I think I'm going to need two hands, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the little collar off. You just unscrew the bottle, then you unscrew the little thing there, little tab thing there, and so we're showing at 35-ish, 33 maybe. We'll give it a little tip, go about 10 seconds, and then let up. I would say we're a little higher than we were, so we're going to probably go up to around 43-ish, you know, a little over 40. Stay in the green. You can hear it hiss as soon as you hit the trigger. Okay. Moving in the right direction. We're a little under 40 right now. You can feel it sloshing around in the bottle. The bottle feels a little cool, not too much. Okay, we're a little above 40 now. Just a little history on this minivan. Typically it leaks out every year, and then we take it into a Tuffy's or a somebody, and we have them fill it up, and it costs 150 bucks, and they're probably doing exactly what we just did here. This jug of stuff is like $36 or something like that. So I'm going to just set this up here. We're gonna go see and just see if it feels cooler. It's a little bit cold, you know, before we started, but like I say, just not enough that when you head to town you feel like you got cold. I don't know, I'm trying to, yeah, no, it is colder for sure. Yeah, okay, so we did something, and it's gonna be better. I don't think I'm not gonna head into the higher range and go to closer to that yellow. I'm just gonna leave it right about there. There's a second ring down here on this thing. Put your thumb here, pull up there, take it off. Put our cap back here. Screw the cap back on that. We'll take this thing and this jug, we're gonna call her good. Short video, but that's AC Pro for you, and this is gonna work on almost every car. It's not anything special to the Toyota Minivan. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.